Now some people ask why this piece is called Mule Variations. And to tell the truth, because Tom Waits called it Mule Variations. But as an actor, as a performer, you kind of have to justify why you are, doing the things that you do. And I believe that he calls it Mule Variation because when you think about a mule is a working animal. But it's not like a thoroughbred horse or even like, a sheepdog that's like gorgeous and whatever. A mule is a combination of a donkey and what else makes a mule? A donkey and a horse, something like that. But it's a biracial animal that ain't the prettiest thing in the world that people kind of look over and it's just a mule, it ain't as good as a horse or even a donkey, it's a mule. But a mule can help make a few plants into a garden. But make a garden into a farm. And a farm can nourish whole communities, just like artists. You put us in the worst neighborhoods with crime, violence, and drugs, and we take the next thing you know, it's the hit place where everybody wants to live. And then they increase our rents and force us out, so we have to move someplace else and start all over. Why is it you? Slow, shimmy, the heart, with a cold little whistle that the every eye. She's going down the bottom, she's going down the drain. She said she wasn't big enough to carry her. Gotta get behind the mule. Come on and fly. Get behind the mule. Come on and fly. Everything you'll ever want. In your mind. Keep the ones you left behind. In your mind. The ones you never ever fed. In your mind. All. In your mind. In your mind. In your mind. Where your diamonds? In your mind. In your mind. Where your jewels? In your mind. In your mind. It's all in your mind. Everything. In your mind. What you need. In your mind. You don't need nothing else. In your mind. That's what you got. In your mind. It's here. In your mind.